Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down below. Now, firstly, I want to wish every beautiful mommy out there a very happy Mother's Day. Please enjoy your day. You guys deserve it. Us mommies are super hardworking, and it's literally a 36-hour a day job. Where we have to find hours throughout the day that we don't have. So yeah, I want all the mommies out there to just have a beautiful day and just pamper yourself and enjoy it. Even if someone doesn't pamper you, at least pamper yourself today and just enjoy it. So yeah, so today we'll be doing another decorating my Crocs video with me. So I actually have these new Crocs that were gifted to me a few weeks back. Yeah, I've had them for weeks. It's just been crazy. Like between my son's school schedule and everything else I have going on, I'm like tied for time. But now that everybody's asleep, I figure I take this advantage and record a video for you guys. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to decorate these. I have some beautiful gibbets to go along with this. So yeah, let's just start the video. Okay, so this is what the Crocs look like. And here are the beautiful gibbets. Now, I know for sure I'm probably not going to use all of these for this particular crock. Actually, when I see these, all these little gummies, why I feel like they go good with these. Like, I feel like, this has like this old school kind of style to it. Like, I feel like it'll go perfect with these little gummies. So I think I'm going to put the little gummies here. And I know I'm like so annoying. I recently did a updated Crocs video for you guys, and I'm already starting to change my Crocs. But, I always keep you guys updated every few months and show you a new updated video. But yeah, I think I'm going to put these on here because I feel like it goes really well. So yeah. Anyway, let's focus on these today. Okay. So you guys know I like to work with the big gibbets first. So the biggest one here is this one. Well, besides these silver ones, but I think I'm going to start with this one and maybe put it kind of like it on the corner here. That's cute. Now for this one, I'm thinking maybe here. Oh, I love this. Like the more obnoxious, the better. And this one, maybe here. Because the problem with these big ones is since they're so obnoxiously big, you don't want to put them too close together because it'll kind of look like off balance, if that makes sense. So I think I like that so far. Now, don't ask me why I have two of these flowers. I don't know. But let me see. Maybe I'll put one here and then one here. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay. Next, let's see. I have this heart here. So big. Do I want to put it up here or do I want to offset it? I don't know. I'm kind of liking the vibe of it here. So let's see. We can always switch it after. I don't like the way that looks. Then, let's see, we have a cute little bow that can maybe go maybe here in a little corner. That's cute. Kind of like that. Okay. See, normally I like to face my gibbets just for reference. Like if someone is looking at my Crocs, I like for my gibbets to face them. But I like the way this looks here like that for whatever reason. So I'm going to leave it like that for now. Now let's see. This little ice cream is adorable. Where can she go? Let's try it. Kind of like that so far. So far, let's see. Now this reminds me of Ariel from The Little Mermaid. She's one of my favorite Disney characters. So I think I'm going to put that here on the side. That's cute. Okay, the little makeup palette. You guys know I am a makeup artist. I'm thinking maybe here. Let's see how it looks. Now the OCD in me wants the mirror on the top, so I don't think this is gonna go here. Right. Let me see. What if I move this? Put this in the middle. And then it's gonna fit here. Ooh, no. I don't know. I think I like that better. Yeah, I think I like that better. Okay, now this little rose here, let's put it on the corner here. I love that. Oof, I love these. Will this go? I don't know how I feel about this in here. I think I'm going to save these for, I'm probably going to put these in another pair of Crocs. Yeah, so the ones that I have left, I think I'm going to use them for other Crocs that I have. And I feel like I have some gibbets in other Crocs that would go really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan really quickly all my Crocs and see if there's gibbets on there that would go perfect with these. And then you'll see them at the end. But this is what we have with the new gibbets. I think it's really cute. I love the big obnoxious gibbets here. So my style. And I think these are adorable. What do you guys think? Okay guys, so I found this little gibbet here. And I thought it went perfectly. I just like it next to the little makeup compact. So yeah, I love it. So this is the final look. And I know you guys are gonna laugh, but on my quest to look for a gibbet to complement this croc, I went I went on a rampage. So I'm gonna show you guys. Remember I showed you guys the little gummy bears and how cute they would look in this? Tell me this isn't cute. I mean, this is not for everybody because this is very like unique and big and bold, but I love these. This is so cute with the little gummy bears. And of course, once I went on that little quest of changing these, and I started changing other ones. So my peach ones are completely different now. And this is what they look like. And then recently, my last video, I decorated these and I just added more different ones. So you can see the different gibbets on here compared to the last video. Yeah, guys, this is, I have a problem. And then I added Charlie Brown here. I just felt like it went with the little characters. But tell me these peach ones aren't bomb. Like I'm obsessed with them now. And then I added more on my animal ones. So yeah, this is what happens. And now I feel like I'm going to go on a quest in my closet and look for other ones that I can move around, which is really bad because I just gave you guys an updated video on my Crocs collection. But yeah. So yeah, this is what this is what I did. And now I'm tired. So what was supposed to be like a quick little video so I can go to sleep early, it just turned into this whole thing where I just started decorating all different types of Crocs when I was supposed to only decorate one. So this is the final product of the ones that we decorated today on camera. And I love them. I think they're so cute. I'm obsessed with them. But now I feel like I'm going to go in my closet and start rearranging gibbets. I'm not going to do that today because I'm super tired. My eyes are like literally burning. But I am some point going to go through all of my Crocs and just see how I feel, switch a few around, which sucks because you guys saw an updated Crocs video. But you guys know I re-up every few months and I give you new videos of that, of my updated Crocs collection. So you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We went off on a little tangent where I showed you different ones that I decorated while off of camera, but you guys got to see a little sneak peek before the updated Crocs video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.